everyone! Today I'm making a quick and easy strawberry vinaigrette. This sweet and tangy dressing can be used on a variety of salads. It's incredibly easy to make as it takes just a few ingredients. So let's get started. In a blender, add 8 ounces of frozen strawberries thawed, and be sure to include the liquid, or you could use fresh. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, or you could use honey, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now, just blend this together until it's smooth and well combined. And here it is. Quick and easy strawberry vinaigrette. And this dressing is delicious on grilled vegetables or even chicken. And be sure to store this in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Wait a minute. Whoa, 1 minute. Now, just blend this together until it's smooth and smooth. A teaspoon of black pepper. And be sure to store this in a container. And be sure to store on grilled vegetables or even chicken. And here it is.